Yeah, wine smoothie. Hey everybody, this is Greg at BigHammerWines.com. Today, we're blending wine. Why am I blending the wine? Because someone asked, does blending a wine help the wine aerate? So, you're about to find out. You've probably seen all these different tools. I've never been a fan of any of this stuff. I believe the wine is going to aerate just by doing this. We're going to do the taste test and actually determine whether or not there's a differentiation between wine that was in the decanter, wine that was blended, and wine that's just been in the glass. We let it aerate probably a good half hour just in the glass, nothing more. This wine's really good. I don't need to spit it, I want to drink it. Wine number 2 was in the decanter. Let's see, does it taste any different? Very little distinction here. Yeah, I can't really say there's much of a difference. So let's try the blended wine. And the question is, you would think it's getting exposed to much more oxygen in that high velocity. And is it going to dramatically open the wine up and change it? Man, this wine's so good. There's a little more astringency in this, to be honest, which might be counterintuitive. You might be thinking, well, if the wine oxygen is more exposed to more oxygen, it's going to be more open. Some of that astringency will oxidize and the wine might actually soften. For some reason, this feels a little more astringent. I think the conclusion is, I don't recommend blending your wine. I don't think it's really going to benefit it. I don't think the blending has helped. I think the decanter is not much different, very minute difference between just the glass. There you have it, guys. Hopefully I answered your question. And if you have any other questions, feel free to send them over. And if you enjoyed this video, please share it with your wine-loving friends. Cheers.